What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at my father's house. I am grabbing this plow here and I have to drop it off at our yard. Upstate, it's not upstate from here, it's upstate from our other shop, but I have to drop that off and we're gonna leave that as a spare because the other one, if you saw my last video, you saw the pump was leaking and we can't get parts for it. So we're gonna swap this pump onto the other one and leave this plow there as a spare. I also have my snowmobile on the trailer, so I am bringing this down to my shop to get it cleaned. As you can see, it is full of dust and definitely needs a nice little cleaning. It has been sitting in the garage for a few years now. I haven't rode in quite some time, but I plan on getting back into it. So today I'm gonna get it cleaned up and make it look nice, but let me get this stuff strapped down and head down to our shop. All right, I got everything strapped down here. We should be good to go for the ride. I don't really like that there's not a good way to strap this sled down on the trailer here. Well, at least where it's located right now, but it'll have to do. So I'll just go nice and easy and hope for the best. But let me get on the road and I will catch back up with you guys when I am at our shop to unload this plow. All right, guys, so I made it to our shop here. I'm gonna get this plow unstrapped and unloaded. I'm gonna warm up this loader real quick before I unstrap it, and then I'm gonna put the plow over here for now and just leave it here because this is gonna be a spare, and that way if they need it, it is easy for them to grab it. So let me get this loader started and then I will get the plow unstrapped and off the trailer. All right, so I got the plow dropped off over here. That will stay there until the guys need it. Hopefully they don't, but machine is parked. I just have to leave a couple things like the pump and some other small stuff here, and then I will head down to my shop and get this snowmobile clean. But let me drop this stuff off here and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm down at our shop. All right, guys, so I made it down to my shop. It is actually about 4 hours later, but we were busy getting a bunch of trucks and plows ready for the storm this weekend. So now it is time to wash the snowmobile. I am gonna back the trailer up over here. I'm gonna wash it right on the trailer instead of taking it off, but I got the hose ran out under the door already, so all I have to do is back the trailer up here and then rinse it off and get it nice and clean. So let me get the trailer over here and get to cleaning it. All right, so I got the sled pretty much as clean as it's gonna get. It could use a detail, but for now this will have to do. At least I got all of the dust and everything off of it. But hopefully this weekend it snows and I can actually ride this thing, because as you can see there's barely any snow, and that's pretty much all we have gotten. I got this thing running the other day when my uncle helped me, but let's see if it'll start right now. So that cutoff switch might be a little messed up, but that's no big deal. But yeah, the sled is ready to go. So I'm gonna tow this home and put it back in my father's garage and hope that we get some snow so I can actually ride this thing. But if that is the case, you guys will be seeing many videos of me on this. I go up to the Adirondacks usually to ride because they get much more snow up there. So either way, that pretty much wraps up this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you see me on this sled this year. But if you have any questions about the snowmobile, or if you ride, leave a comment down below. Let me know where you ride. Maybe if you're from New York, we can ride together. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. Peace.